I welcome you all for the Tableau Advanced course, and this session is all about level of detail. Level of detail is the advanced level of calculation. Already in Tableau Basics course, I have explained you about the basic calculations and quick table calculations. Level of detail. Why should we go for level of detail? About the syntax and use cases of LOD. So let's discuss what is level of detail. Tableau level of detail expressions allow you to change the most granular place where an analysis takes place. LOD expressions provide a way to easily compute aggregations that are not at the level of detail of the visualizations. That is, it allows you to compute an aggregate at the most granular form. There is a requirement to show the data at level different from the dimensions or level present in the view. In that cases, mainly we go for LOD expressions. LOD expression something was introduced in the version of 9 in Tableau. Before that, it was very complicated in order to solve the most complex requirements. LOD functions will allow us to easily compute many complex level of aggregations using three keywords: fixed, include and exclude. There is no need to obtain some static calculated value that is not affected by any filters that are applied to the view. With level of detail expressions in Tableau, you can compute things such as you would be able to minus the average sales of a particular state from the total sales value. Syntax for writing the LOD expressions are all the LOD expressions should be within the open and closed parentheses. Then it includes three keywords, that is your fixed, include or exclude, followed by a dimension declaration, semicolon and your aggregated measures. Fixed level of detail will allow you to compute your aggregation at a very exact level of detail, and include allow you to compute in aggregates at lower level of detail, as well as exclude will allow you to calculate at higher level of detail. This is in a diagram. It shows how aggregation and granularity helps you to compute in LOD expressions. Let's see some practical examples how to use LOD expressions in Tableau. I'm connecting to sample superstore dataset. I'm creating a table which includes the sales across state and city. In this, if I want to compute at exact level of detail, that is, when I place the sales value, the sales is computed across state and city because both these dimensions are present in my view. If I want to compute only at the state level, but if I want to show the city also in my view, in that cases, I go for a calculated field, create an LOD expression, open parenthesis, use the keyword fixed. Fixed computes an aggregate using only the specified dimension. The dimension declaration would be state, semicolon, sum of sales, close parenthesis. This will compute my sales value only based on state. When I am going to apply this to my view, you could see the value is computed only across a state, not based on the city. If I want to show the region-wise sales across the state and city, but if I don't want to display region on my view, I go for a calculated field, create a fixed level of detail expression, fixed, region, sum of sales. This will give me the region-wise sales. Even though I have not included region on my view, since the region was referred as a specified dimension, it is computing the sales value across a region. You can also go for multiple declaration. If I want to include region as well, I include region, comma, state. It is a multiple dimensional declaration can be done in the LOD expressions. Now my sales value is computed across the region and the state. Next, let's see how to use include level of detail. Include level of detail will compute an aggregate at a lower level of detail. That is, it is going to compute an aggregate based on both the view dimension as well as the specified dimension. For example, if I want to show the average of sales per customer across a region, but I'm not going to include customer name as my part of my view. I just need to show average of sales per customer across the region. So I include region and include sales and go for computing the average. Here I want to include the average sales for customer also. So I go for calculated field. I'm going to create include level of details for include customer name average of sales. So this is going to compute average of sales across a customer as well as based on a region. Include will compute an aggregate using the specified dimension as well as the view dimension. So this gives me average of sales per customer across a region. So let's create an example to understand exclude level of detail. Create a calculated field for exclude. Exclude will compute an aggregate excluding the specified dimension if present in the view. For example, I have category, subcategory and profit. If I want to show only the profit based on a category, but if I want to show subcategory also in my view, in that cases I go for exclude level of detail. Exclude level of detail will exclude the aggregated value of a specified dimension which is actually present in the view. Go for creating a calculated field, exclude LOD, create an expression, exclude subcategory, semicolon, sum of sales. This will exclude the sales value for subcategory to be present on the view. This just computes in a value only for category, but subcategory is also present on my view. So these are the three level of detail expression, that is your fixed level of detail, which is actually going to compute at the exact level of detail, and your include level of detail will include both your specified dimension as well as your view dimension, and exclude level of detail exclude a value which is actually present in the view. Let me show another example to clearly explain the difference between the normal aggregation and level of detail aggregations. Here I am creating a view based on customer name and sales. If I want to show average of sales I'm going to change my aggregations to average. When I say average of sales, it should be the average of my sales value. But since I have my customer name on the view, when I use a normal aggregated function, it is computing an aggregation based on the view dimensions as well. If I just want to compute what is the average of this particular sales, in that cases, I go for creating a calculated field and calculate average of sales using LOD expressions. Here I specify average of sales. I'm not specifying any of these three keywords, that is the fixed, include or exclude. If none of the keywords are specified but the expression is enclosed with open and close parentheses, in that cases it automatically takes the keyword as fixed. Now if you could see, this calculates only the sales average value, not across each customer. So this is the difference between calculating at a normal aggregation level as well as at the level of detail. Tableau provides 15 use cases of level of detail expressions. When you want to completely get thorough on LOD expressions, you can go through all these 15 LOD expressions. These 15 use cases have the requirement as well as the solved workbooks with the clear explanations. By going through all these 15 use cases, you will get in a very better idea of LOD expressions. Level of detail allow us to understand the level of detail at which our aggregations takes place. Also, it helps us to avoid many complex level of calculations. Here are some of the final thoughts about LOD expressions. LOD expressions are powerful new capability of Tableau 9.0 that allow us to easily solve problems that previously required complicated formulas. They allow us to initiatively define the scope of calculations and stay in a state of flow as we explore our data. LOD expressions are not a new form of table calculations. They can replace many table calculations but also open new possibilities. LOD expressions and table calculations operate in a very different manner. A table calculation is generated exclusive from the result of a query, while LOD expression is usually generated as part of the query to the underlying data. Table calculations always produce measures as their result, while LOD expressions can create measures, aggregated measures, or dimensions. LOD expressions represent a vital step towards a goal of complete flow where all questions are simple and elegant to answer. I hope in this video I explained you about LOD expressions and its use cases. Thanks for listening to the video. Thank you.